Well, Joe, 1-1 today. Thoughts about the game?
Disappointing, I think, for us. I think any time we don't get all 3 points here at the Oval is a disappointing result for us because it's such a fortress. But, you know, they come here, they played well. But I think on chances and on reflection, I think we've edged it. I think 3 points, I think we deserved it. But obviously, 1-1. Pleased for Hazy to get his goal, but like I say, disappointing, to be honest.
How do you think Rustin has played a part in the match? Because I know we've had problems getting a match, you know, friendlies and things.
Yeah,
do you think that made a difference?
We've not had many friendlies. We've done a lot of in-house games. Obviously had the friendly last weekend. But yeah, definitely rustiness. But that's to be expected, isn't it? And I think 6 months was last time we played. And it's the same for every other team, isn't it? You know, I appreciate we've not had as many friendlies as others, but we've still got to come in and do a job, haven't we? So we're not going to make excuses. Disappointing, of course, but yeah.
You've been here a few years, Joe. You know, most of the team have stuck together over the years.
Yeah.
Quite a few changes in the lineups today. How odd was that for you?
I wouldn't say it was odd, but yeah, I've been in a long time, and I suppose we have lost a lot of players that have been here for a while. But the lads that have come in have been a breath of fresh air, if you like. They've been really good, trained really hard, all professional. But yeah, it's exciting times. You know, it's a transitional period, but yeah, exciting times. I'm looking forward to the season ahead. I can't wait to get back out there on Tuesday. And
finally, you know, we missed the Covey Army, didn't we?
Massively. It was strange. I'm not gonna lie. It was strange coming here. Like I say, 6 years I've been here now, and it was the first time I came in. It was near enough empty. It was just weird. So the sooner we get them back, the better, because they are like a 12-man force, and there's no better sound, no better feeling when you've got them chanting for you to go and get that goal, go and get that extra point or whatever it is. Yeah, definitely missed them. Yeah.
Great. Thanks so much, Joe.
Cheers.
Hugh. So what dacht ti ar ôl y gêm heddiw?
Dim bach o siomedig, ti'n modd oedd y ti ennill heddiw, dynydd y parch yn ni fod i wneud, ond o'n i disgyn i ffwrdd cic a bel rhy hir, falle ti'n modd un o'r rai wedi chwarae efo'i gilydd am dipyn, Idon yn mynd i ffwrdd yn fuan, a fi hwnna ddim yn helpu wedyn colli Jack, ond o'n i jyst chwarae rhy hir heddiw, ti'n modd, a fel ti'n dweud, dim bach o siomedig y catau dim ond i gael pwynt.
Be ti'n rhaid hynna lawr i, achos dwi'n gweld bod chdi'n trwy wsos ni, yn yr ymarfer wyt ti deud yr ogia sydd wedi chwarae a beth yw'r patrwm. Pam ti'n meddwl bod ni wedi mynd mor hir iddo?
Dwi'n meddwl nhw disgyn i ffwrdd, ac fel ti'n dweud, a ni newid y ddau chwaraewyr mewn o'r 20 munud cynta, ac falle dim digon o siap rhwngth ni, rhywbeth ni'n gweithio rwan. Cefnwr yn dod ar, a falle brysio, cael y bel ymlaen. Ond rhaid ni bod mwy ddewr adre a cael ar y bel. Ond da ni nhw newid i siap nhw hefyd i dangos digon y parch i ni. Ond ar ôl ni gildio'r gol, dim ond un tîm wedi mynd i ennill y gêm. Ac rhaid ni dechrau gemau fel yna, efo'r intensity a pobl eisiau bel a symud o gwmpas a cymryd dipyn bach mwy o praid o beth maen nhw'n gwneud.
Wyt ti'n meddwl bod y diffyg o gemau gyfeillgar dros dim mis dwytha wedi amharu ar sut da ni'n chwarae?
Yndi tad, gen i chwarter sgwad newydd, falle mwy na hynny. Ond maen nhw eisiau chwarae mwy o gemau fe gilydd, un dyn ni wedi cael. So, maen nhw eisiau dechrau jeli efo ti gilydd a gobeithio, gen i gêm nos Fawrth, a hwnna ydy'r gêm i ti wedi cael yn iawn.
A gair sydyn am Mike Case. Gol dda, gêm gyda fo.
Dyna pam dyn ni wedi seinio. Mae Hazy bod dipyn bach yn ymffodus ddim i dechrau mwy o gemau baland. Dyna beth mae'n wedi gwneud. Beth dyn ni wedi methu falle yn Caernarfon dipyn bach, ond oedd ei gol yn wych a gobeithio mwy i dŵad.
Nes i'n gofio un, sori. Cwestiwn yn dwytha, sori, Hew. Josh oedd man of the match iddo. Sa'ch ti'n gytuno fe?
Dwi'n siŵr ar yn gwneud un o'r saves. Yn cweith o siŵr. Ar yn gwneud bob beth mae angen i wneud. Dyna beth mae'n i wneud. Mae Josh di wneud y dda. Mae'n cymeriad mawr. Ie, falle bos i cytuno. Ie, ti'n falle dwi'n iawn efo hwnna. Dwi'n siŵr. Dim ar ei neb chwarae dda i fi. Digon da iddyn ni. Falle Hayes a fe'i gol oedd a nuisance i fyny blaen ne. Jyst yn cael digon o beli da iddo fo. Ond ie, dal ati.
Gret, diolch Dew.
Diolch yn fawr i chi gyd.